My name's Caroline, and I'm fed up with people thinking that all blondes are bimbos. I'm going to prove that people with blonde hair are not bimbos. The first thing I need to prove my point is a very intelligent man. Do you think hair colour affects a person's intelligence?
No, it doesn't. I know many blonde lady scientists who are extremely eminent and very important. But the point is, if someone looks at a blonde and sort of thinks, well, she's a blonde, so she must be a bimbo, everyone will act towards her as though she's a bimbo. So if you're a blonde and you go into a situation and everybody's beaming at you, you're probably going to do something thick. There's every chance that you will.
To prove my point even further, I've gotten together two teams, a blonde team,
we're going to thrash them,
and a brunette team.
I hope we're going to be better than blondes, otherwise we won't live this down.
Here we go. What is the missing word that goes on the front of these?
Post.
Correct! The next one is even harder. How many squares on this card? Go.
6. 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 to the Brunes. There are some letters here. An F, a K, a Z, a H, and a N. So, which one of those is the odd one out? Yes, which one?
The K.
Why the K?
Because the rest have got straight lines and that one's got diagonal.
Well, that's got diagonal lines and that's got diagonal lines as well. Well, it is K, because K is the letter of the alphabet, which is an odd number, whereas all the others are even numbers. Now, the next one is clock faces. There is yours and there is yours.
2 plus 2 plus 6.
Blondes were first. This is so easy. 3 o'clock, that's 2. Is 5 o'clock, that's 2. Is 7 o'clock, that's 2. Is 9 o'clock. Which in my view means that the blondes have definitely won.